Hi everyone, today I have a channeled message from the Lost Mother about honoring this time during the spring equinox and observing the natural cycles of time on Earth through the moon, sun, and the Earth itself. If you're new here, I'm Liana. I'm a priestess and channeler for Divine Mother energies and for the All, as well as a quantum healing hypnosis practitioner and intuitive guide. This message is pretty brief. When I'm channeling, once the message is done, it sort of just fades away. So if this message resonates with you in any way or feels helpful, please share, like, and subscribe. I also want to say that this is a lot of things that I've been drawn to in the past year and a half. And I'd enjoy hearing about if it's the same for you, if learning about the old holidays, old ancient traditions, and honoring the earth and nature and the magic of earth through time, through its own wheel of time, and how the earth moves, the moon and the sun. I'd love to hear that. And that's pretty much all. Enjoy the message. If you're interested, I will say, in working with me in other ways, you can see the description below, and there's lots of links there. But if not, I'll see you next time. We bring forward today a message of all from the records of all. As the lost mother, as you want to call me now, other ways will come forth in time or through your own knowings of who I've been and who I am. But as the lost mother, I am also the keeper of all. What this means is that all is reflected through me. This is why I was the part that was lost, the one that took all of the toxic darkness, all of the distorted and false energy into themselves to keep the all as it could be in this way, and a reflection of the wounds that the all was sustaining, that was overwhelmed and burdened and lost throughout time and dimensions and different forms. But I am also the keeper of all, the records of all held within me, within the all, within the field as well. So we want to bring forward a record for you to hear and know. And this is of your earth. This is of your understanding of time, of light, of darkness. This time when equal parts of light and darkness are in your perception. The returning of the light, the receding of the dark. This equinox, this return of light, is a time when you can come into balance with yourself. But the record of this time has been used to manipulate your understandings of Earth and the natural magic and forces that are alive within the Earth. And if you go back to the keepers throughout different traditions, they knew this. Many of you are understanding this for yourselves now, but we want to bring forward this understanding that spring, when spring comes forth, when spring blooms, it is a time when Earth reawakens her natural magic where you can perceive it. But the winter the fall, the coming of darkness in more of a full expression does not lack magic. It does not lack an aliveness. It recedes from your perception in order to strengthen itself, in order to reinvigorate itself. And when the spring returns, it is a time when Earth has nourished itself within from the decay, from the veneration of Earth, from itself into itself, and coming back to your perception to where you can perceive it and enjoy it. So the time of fertility, the time of growth, the time of opening to abundance, we will say, has always been honored and known. But there has been a manipulation of this to switch the calendar, the time periods in which you honor this. So we have spring, an equal balance of night and day, of darkness and light, the spring equinox, to when the light is returning and gaining more longevity, a longer duration during the day, and darkness is receding. Your calendar has shown you to honor something of which you are not a part, of which your being is not a part, something that is separate from you in different ways, or to honor the separation from Earth. And this may be a complicated understanding for some, for you may not see it in that way. But this is what has been done by switching dates around, by moving time in a way that does not follow the sun and the moon and the earth. But many of you are finding your way back to this. So we offer you a knowing that time is correcting itself through your perception of it, through the way you move through it. Spring offers you a time to reawaken yourself, to reinvent yourself back to the true way of being, back to the true connection with Earth, with those around you, with your community. You will go through a period balancing your darkness and your light,